Hey everyone, welcome along to Daryl's Woodworking Voyage. I hope you are all doing well and have enjoyed the time since I've been away. I'm sorry about that, we've just had a few things going on. Today myself and Kerry, my son, are building a basic bench for a barbecue to sit on. Kerry is at the moment is just trimming the ends off to keep everything nice and square and easy for us to do. As you can see, the Ozito woodworking saw has come apart. One day we'll hopefully be able to replace it, but just not at the moment. And then he's now going to cut the back length for us, which is a top and a bottom back rail. And then it is the four side rails that get done. And then it will be the four legs will also be done, getting all ready, and then we will move on to the assembly. That is all the cutting done. Now we're on to the assembly fun bit. As you can see, it is a pretty basic design on how I do it. It's just the four legs, the frame, the rails are on the inside of the legs. And I probably could have screwed these all from the inside, but I do it from the outside with 60mm wood treated pine wood screws. They have a nice coarse thread on them, so they hold everything nicely for us together. See, I've got to move everything from one end of my assembly desk, because that is what it is, my old desk that I originally built for my computer, but now I have built a new one, which unfortunately I didn't film, guys, so you won't get to see that. I'm just pre-drilling and screwing it all together. The next step is to work out the height of the bottom shelf, which I end up deciding to take it 100 mils from the bottom to the bottom of the rail. Kerry's now attempting to put some screws in for us. I couldn't work out why he was having so much trouble, but I do realise later on what it is, and I help him to correct it. Which you will all see very soon. Kerry has an intellectual disability, so his learning skills aren't all that quick, but he is learning, so I'm trying to help him to get better at things. Hopefully it will all come together. This is where I realise where he's not getting it quite right. He's not holding the impact driver square to the screw. We're just discussing how we're going to do the legs. I thought about trying to use my corner brackets, not brackets, clamps, and they didn't work because of they're not on the same level. But that's all right. We worked it out and got it done with a single clamp. I just drill and screw one in, then I get Kerry while I'm drilling this one up, screwing this one together. Kerry's pre-drilling the next part for me. Here we doing the same thing, just Kerry's is now pre-drilling, and while I've screwed it all together. All done, all assembled. Now we will cut the base, the shelf, the bottom shelf out of a 16mm MDF. It is 475 from front to back. Then I realised that I'm trying to use this Craig jig around the wrong way. Yeah, a bit of fiddling, but I get it there. And I should have kept the legs closer together. There, it's all cut. Now I'll measure it out for the width, which is 795mm from one side to the other, and cut it. I chock it on the, so when I turn it over it is even, so I get a nice square shelf. We just quickly put things away. Now I'm just getting the screws out and ready to put the shelf on. Just using 40mm treated pine screws straight through the MDF. Now we'll do the top. I use the 60mm screws and an angle for the top. I haven't measured it in, I've just lined it up visually to see fairly even. And in the end I'm happy with it. My next job will be that I like to film for you will be building a new workbench, but that I think will be a little way off, so no doubt I will have something in between now and then. You see it's all coming together nicely. Now you will see the final result of all this, all set up with the barbecue on it. Where I try to find out if I have enough MDF for the two side ends. Here is the final result. That is what it has, how it looks now with the barbecue on it ready to go. And I'd like to thank you all for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and do share this with as many of your friends as possible. Thank you all very much. I hope you have enjoyed this.